Since 1944, Australian Unity has held a breakfast on the morning of Australia Day to highlight a concept affecting the nation. For the last 24 years, this breakfast has been held within Queen's Hall here at Parliament House. This year, we place our attention on the concept of dignity of risk, respecting the autonomy of individuals when making decisions about their healthcare.
Well, the dignity of risk it's about being able to make decisions. For people with disabilities, they traditionally have not been making any of their own decisions. It's everything we do when we make a decision has some form of risk. It might work, it might not. We take the risk. Sometimes they fail, but mostly they don't. We learn from them and, we move on. So it might be I'm a person with disabilities and I want to go out with my friends without my parents chaperoning me. All teenagers want that.
NDIS being a big national reform, it's a good thing to acknowledge on Australia Day. I think what we need to aim for is being able to invest in a person to be able to get them more active in society, which is much better from their point of view. So for example, getting a job, it actually then costs the government a lot less money as well. So needing to make those upfront investments to improve a person's life and also reduces costs longer term as well.
Now I'm here with guest Dr. Mukesh Hikerwell, who today received the Companion of the Order of Australia. Congratulations, Dr. Mukesh. What an achievement.
Well, look, thank you. It's not an individual achievement, it's a team game. And one of the things that Rowan said this morning was about how we've collaborated over the years. And that's been one of my joys, is to collaborate with, in particular, the insurance agencies, the private health sector, because one of the great features about Australia's healthcare system is the balance of private and public. By having a vibrant private sector, it means it keeps the public sector viable.
And just finally, you kicked off festivities today here in Parliament. Is there anything else you're up to on Australia Day?
Enjoy time with the family today. That's my plan.
I'm very lucky to have scored a gig at the Australian Open, so we'll be seeing the great match between Federer and Chung.
Well, we'll enjoy that and congratulations again.
Thank you very much.